1. Which of the following powers is reserved to the states by the U.S. Constitution? A. Coining money. B. Declaring war. C. Conducting elections. D. Regulating interstate commerce. Two. Which amendment to the U.S. Constitution abolished slavery? A. 13th Amendment. B. 14th Amendment. C. 15th Amendment. D. 19th Amendment. Three. Which branch of government has the power to declare laws unconstitutional? A. Executive. B. Legislative. C. Judicial. D. Military. Four. How many voting members are in the U.S. House of Representatives? A. 100. B. 435. C. 535. D. 250. Five. The principle of checks and balances ensures that A. States have equal power to the federal government. B. No branch of government becomes too powerful. C. The military has authority over the president. D. The Constitution can be easily amended. Six. The term length for a U.S. Senator is A. 2 years. B. 4 years. C. 6 years. D. 8 years. Seven. Which amendment guarantees the right to a speedy and public trial? A. Fourth Amendment. B. Fifth Amendment. C. Sixth Amendment. D. Eighth Amendment. Eight. Who has the power to veto bills passed by Congress? A. The Supreme Court. B. The President. C. The Vice President. D. The Senate Majority Leader. 9. The Federalist Papers were written to support the A. Declaration of Independence. B. Articles of Confederation. C. U.S. Constitution. D. Bill of Rights. Ten. How many justices currently serve on the U.S. Supreme Court? A. 7. B. 9. C. 11. D. 13. (11) Which war was fought by the United States in the 1800s? A. World War I. B. World War II. C. Civil War. D. Korean War. (12) Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? A. Herbert Hoover. B. Franklin D. Roosevelt. C. Harry S. Truman. D. Dwight D. Eisenhower. (13) The Louisiana Purchase was made in A. 1776. B. 1803. C. 1812. D. 1848. (14) What was one important thing Abraham Lincoln did? A. Purchased Alaska. B. Freed the slaves. C. Established Social Security. D. Founded the Federal Reserve. (15) The main author of the Declaration of Independence was A. George Washington. B. John Adams. C. Thomas Jefferson. D. James Madison. (16) Which of the following was a cause of the War of 1812? A. Expansion of slavery. B. British interference with American shipping. C. The Mexican-American War. D. The Gold Rush. (17) Which movement sought to end racial discrimination in the U.S.? A. Abolitionist movement. B. Women's suffrage movement. C. Civil rights movement. D. Progressive movement. (18) Which U.S. territory was acquired from Spain in 1898? A. Hawaii. B. Alaska. C. Puerto Rico. D. Guam. (19) Who was president during World War I? A. Theodore Roosevelt. B. Woodrow Wilson. C. Warren G. Harding. D. Franklin D. Roosevelt. (20) The Emancipation Proclamation was issued in A. 1776. B. 1861. C. 1863. D. 1870. 21. Which of the following is a right only for U.S. citizens? A. Freedom of speech. B. Freedom of religion. C. Voting in federal elections. D. Freedom of assembly. USCIS. The United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, is a federal agency under the Department of Homeland Security, or DHS, responsible for overseeing lawful immigration to the United States. Established in 2003 as part of the restructuring following the 9/11 attacks, USCIS administers the nation's naturalization and immigration system. Its key functions include processing applications for citizenship, green cards, asylum, and work visas, as well as managing humanitarian programs and ensuring the integrity of the immigration system. USCIS also conducts interviews, background checks, and civics and language tests for prospective citizens, ensuring they meet the eligibility requirements set forth by U.S. law. By upholding these responsibilities, USCIS plays a vital role in promoting national security, enhancing customer service, and ensuring that immigration benefits are awarded fairly and efficiently. Here are 5 top beneficial uses of USCIS. 1. Pathway to citizenship. USCIS facilitates the naturalization process for eligible immigrants, allowing them to become U.S. citizens. This includes processing applications, conducting interviews, and administering the civics and language tests required for citizenship. Becoming a citizen provides access to rights such as voting and eligibility for federal jobs. 2. Legal immigration and work authorization. USCIS manages applications for various visas, including family-based, employment-based, and humanitarian visas. It also issues employment authorization documents, or EADs, that allow immigrants to work legally in the United States, supporting both the economy and individual livelihoods. 3. Family reunification. Through family-based immigration programs, USCIS enables U.S. citizens and lawful permanent residents to sponsor relatives, promoting the reunification of families separated by borders. This process helps maintain strong family units and supports the social fabric of communities. 4. Protection for refugees and asylees. USCIS administers programs to protect those fleeing persecution or violence in their home countries. By processing asylum applications and granting refugee status, USCIS ensures that individuals in dire need can find safety and rebuild their lives in the United States. 5. Maintaining national security and integrity. USCIS conducts thorough background checks and screenings for all immigration benefits applicants to prevent fraud and safeguard national security. By verifying identities and enforcing compliance with immigration laws, the agency helps maintain the integrity of the U.S. immigration system.